Chinese cabbage is one of the most consumed vegetables by Chinese people. It can be used in stir-fries, soups, salads, stuffing or in brine. This cabbage is very tender and has a sweet taste. This stir-fried beef with Chinese cabbage is commonly prepared in Chinese families. I'll show you the technique that restaurants use to make the beef extremely tender. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the meat. Cut the beef into thin slices. Cut perpendicular to the fibers to obtain tender meat after cooking. Put them in a mixing bowl, then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Dilute 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with half tablespoon of water. Put in the marinade. Combine. Let it rest at room temperature while preparing the other ingredients. Cut the Chinese cabbage in half. Wash it. Cut it into chunks. The skin of ginger is very thin and can be eaten. Grate it to get 1 teaspoon. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Before sauté the dish, set the table. Everything is ready. Now we can start stir frying. The cooking is done in 2 stages. First, stir fry the cabbage. Preheat the pan over high heat. It must be very hot before putting the oil to prevent the cabbage from releasing too much water. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put half of the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When the garlic starts to be golden, put the cabbage, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. We like it a little bit crunchy. Keep aside. In the same pan, still heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the ginger and the remaining chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, put the marinated beef. Stir for 2 minutes. Add the sauté cabbage. Stir for 30 seconds. And cut the fire. The stir-fried beef with Chinese cabbage is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The beef is very tender and tasty. The cabbage is still a bit crunchy. The sauce that wraps the whole dish makes the rice bowl delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.